Ready?
Ready?
Right.
Yeah. Yes.
Welcome. My name is Stephanie Peretti, and I'm the Chief Library Services Officer for the PCM Libraries, both here in Philly and on our Georgia campuses. Today's celebration is our thank you to the community for this monumental accomplishment of 1 million downloads from the digital commons at PCOM. For those of you who don't know, an institutional repository represents a collection of full-text, open access works, and it is designed to ensure the permanence of the college's collective history and academic pursuits. It has been a collaborative partnership since the beginning, and I wanted to thank all of the people who have helped us and their support for getting us where we were. In 2010, we began this project with two collections. First was the psychology dissertations, of which we scanned in-house, and we posted in December of 2010 just 25 dissertations from the psychology department. At the same time, we got a grant to digitize the college's yearbooks, the synapses, which with the help of the marketing department we got, and alumni, we did that project. So by December of the following year, we actually had close to 100,000 downloads. Today's dissertations in psychologies, we have about 489, and there have been over 100,000 downloads of just the psychology dissertations alone. So, thank you for your support. In August of 2014, we began to electronically capture the faculty publications and research by purchasing an additional product called Selected Works. By August of 2015, our downloads had jumped to 500,000 with the addition of that collection. So we've worked with different departments. We have physician assistant studies, we have the biomedical sciences thesis, and we built a lot of collections going into our archives and thank you. And capturing those and digitizing them. So on November 2018, we actually reached the 1 millionth milestone. The dissertation authored by Dr. Tara Drains, a PCOM alum from the clinical PsyD program, called The Impact of Internet Social Networking on Young Women's Mood and Body Image Satisfaction, Experimental Design, was downloaded again. Dr. Drains is unfortunately just called and is unable to attend this event with us, but as of April 2019, her work has been shared over 4,600 times, which I think is wonderful. It says a lot about her work. It's a timely topic, and so we appreciate that. Again, we wanted to thank you. I wanted to thank the librarians, the staff, our volunteers who are scooping ice cream, for all the support that we've had. It's a collaborative work. It's helping, we're following the college's mission on keeping up with research and growth. And so I just wanted to take a moment to introduce Dr. DiTomaso, who helped us get our start.
Thank you, Stephanie. So this is a great day. I mean, what an accomplishment. I think it talks about the amount of commitment and the quality that people at PCOM put into what they do. And it's collaborative because we're all working together to achieve a great result. We're very proud of Dr. Drames. Unfortunately, I guess we trained her well because she contacted Stephanie to tell her that she had an emergency patient today. She works at Interact, which is a community mental health center. So it's unfortunate she wasn't able to be here. But it does underscore a number of different things. And one is, at least in psychology and I guess across all of the other programs, we're training practitioner scholars and researchers. And in this instance, it's interesting that Tara's work turned out to be the millionth download. I think you told me she had 24 downloads that day. But we're training practitioner scholars, at least in the psychology realm, and we're training people to get out there on the front lines and provide evidence-based practice to their patients. And again, evidence drives practice. One of the things I typically say when the model we use is the practitioner-scholar model. This is an example of the scholarly side. The American Psychological Association, and again, we've been ahead of the game thanks to Stephanie and her staff, has recently required through an implementing regulation of the standards of accreditation that psychology doctoral students disseminate research. And as part of that dissemination, we do have, Stephanie's Digital Commons.
I own it, yeah.
Digital Commons.
My name is Elsevier.
And yes, and in addition, there will be a research day coming up in the week where all the programs across the campus are participating, and I swear I've signed more authorizations to have these posters printed than I could possibly imagine. But in summary, it's a great testimony to the work that you're doing. It's a great testimony to the quality of our students who are producing products that are important, and in addition to our faculty who spend an enormous amount of time mentoring these students. And I have to tell you, at Angelica's office, we have all of the dissertations that are printed and bound by our library, and I walk in every day and I pass by them, and that's palpable to me. That's telling me here's what as one aspect of what we've been able to produce collaboratively with our students, with our faculty, with other departments here, many of whom are represented and that we have wonderful relationships with. So that being said, congratulations to you and your staff for wonderful work.
Thank you. Joy.